Hello friends, my name is Viraj. Today I would like to show how to use Gridview control in ASP.NET. So basically I will show you the simplest way to connect, or I can say it in another word, only I will display the data whatever stored in your database. So first I will start with my database. So I want to click on SQL server. So this is my SQL server. Just select your SA and login password and just connect it. Now you can see new query. Click on it and write your code. Create dat database name. Name can be anything. I will use as YouTube. Then simply select it and execute it. So my database name YouTube is created. Here you can see whatever database are available. Now it's showing on master. So click here and just click on your YouTube. So whatever you enter here in the table, whatever table you will create it will be stored on your database name YouTube. So this is a main thing that many of our coder forgot, and they just write their code but they do not select which database they want to store the table. So now start writing the code. Create cre- create table name can be anything. I would use as emp or somewhat viewers viewers. Just open, close it, and whatever data I want, suppose I want bid in integer, that is it is a integer data type, comma name, that should be in the varchar data type, comma, then I require the location, that should be in the varchar, yeah, and some sort of phone number if required, or just I will use only three data to show how basically you connect your whatever data you inserted in your database will be simply displayed without writing any code using the data source in the grid view format. So just select all these and just execute it. Your table is successfully created. If you want to see which table you have created, then write a query at select star from viewers and simply see vid, vname and location. The three columns you have created: vid, vname and location. And you can see these tables are empty. Now we will insert few data in it. So use an query insert into viewers value, open, close, first and integer, then open the commas and write the viewer name, that is Viraj, his location, that is Dadar, and simply insert it. Just execute it. One row is effective. You can see such data by using select star from viewer. See, my whatever the data I have inserted is displayed on this column in tabular format. See, V ID VID is 1, V name is Viraj, and location is my daughter. Whatever I have inserted, that is displayed. Now simply add few more detail in your database or some data you inserted. Value, second, comma, HRYS, Shreyas, other. Another insert some data into viewer value 3, comma, just write here name of your viewer and location somewhat Thane. Insert one more data in your database same way 4, comma, inside that page Navi Mumbai, and just select all these 3 data which you have inserted and just execute it. All the rows are affected and just select the select star from viewer. You can see whatever you have inserted the data are displaying here. So this way you can insert the data in your database, and your database name is YouTube, your table name is viewer. Now let's go to the Visual Studio. Just click on it. So this is your Visual Studio. Go to the file, new, website. The folder where your website will be stored is website 2. Just click OK. Yeah, OK. Go to the Solution Explorer. Right click, add new item. Your web form name is a default.axpi. Just click and add it. This is your coding part. Let's go to the design part. Here you can see a toolbox. Click on it. Now it is a standard. Go to the data where you can see a grid view. Click on the grid view control. So this is your grid view control. You can change the design by clicking on auto format. Whatever format you require, just click here, just click and apply and click here OK. So this is the design which you have selected or the format you have selected. Now here you can see choose data source. Just click here and go to the new data source. Here select SQL Database. So you are specified an ID for your data source, that is SQL data source 1. Then click OK. So it will ask for a new connections in, and click on new connection. What is your server name? My server name is dot. Simply I have used an SQL server authentication, so it requires a username and password. So just enter your username and password. Yeah. So select or enter the database name. Simply click here. Loading the database. Oh sorry. Our database name was YouTube. Just test connection it. The test connection is succeeded. Okay. Then click here on OK. Go to the next. Your YouTube connection string which will show in your web configuration. So this is your connection string in the name of your database called YouTube. Go to the next. So whichever data you want. Star means it will select all the data. If you want VID, then it will display only VID. But I want to display all the data which have been stored in my database. So select and star. Whatever you select, it will display that data. So go to the next. Yeah, finish. Now whatever you have entered in your SQL server or inserted in your SQL server database will be displayed on your Gridview. Just simply browse it. See, first I had an VID name. V name Viraj, he's from Dadar. Second Shresh from Dadar. Third Anil from Dadar. From Thane. Rupesh from Navi Mumbai. In this way, you can simply display whatever data are stored in your database, that is in your SQL server, whichever version .2 or 2008 R2 or many more of the upcoming version. Just you can simply display whatever the data is stored in your database in your grid view. So thanks for watching it. Hope you like it, subscribe it, share it. Thank you. Bye.